Wolfman. I'm the Wolfman, the Wolf of Bankroll Flow. Welcome to some updates and another edition of Rolling and Scrolling with the Wolfman. So what's up, Eco Money family? What's up, YouTube? Again, thank you guys for all the love and support and for supporting your boy. Like, sharing, and subscribing. Again, this is my journey into crypto, and I just want to bring that to you guys and gals weekly here. So like, share, subscribe. Again, if you want to start your own journey, I do have some details in the description of this video. I also have videos on how to get started with Tron and in Bankroll Flow. So guys, before we get into our quick updates this week, I did want to speak to you briefly about taking risk in this game, in these crypto games that we play, guys. So I like to take calculated risk, and I never spend more than I'm willing to lose at one time. And again, as always, this is not financial advice, but we are getting money, residual income with cryptocurrency. So again, with these risks, I never spend more than I'm willing to lose at one time. But you do want to take a calculated risk because these are decentralized applications, and at any point in time they can disappear, or even your cryptocurrency could be taken out of the game if that game disappears, and you wouldn't have any recourse at that point. Now, a good example, I actually want to bring this up because I have a good example, guys. Just last week, if you watched the video from last week, I was showing you on the Binance Smart Chain, BNB Stake. It has some crazy returns up to about 12,000%. If you just let them hold on to your BNB for about 28 days on the highest plan. And I showed you that pretty much one BNB, which was worth $250, could make you back about $14,000. Now, within this last week, the big guys, they must have watched my video or they found out about it somehow, and they came in and drained all the money out of the contract. And what that really means is, so if you had some money staked and you're waiting to be able to withdraw on your withdrawal date, they took all the money out. So by the time you get ready to withdraw, there's nothing left to withdraw. And that's just the nature of the game. So luckily for me, I got into it really early, and I did get a chance to withdraw at least one time out of BNB Stake. But now BNB Stake is pretty much dead because there's no money to be able to withdraw, even though the DApp is still available. So that's what I mean by risk, guys. Especially when something has a crazy high return like that. You know, who knows how long it'll actually last. You know, fast money isn't always good money. But if you play it at the right time, you can get in and get out very quickly and make a lot of money at the same time. So all that let me know is that money is here to be made, and it is exactly possible to make $1 million within 28 days if you really just find the right thing and you get in and get out very quickly, and you take that calculated risk. You know, don't risk anything you're not willing to lose, guys. Don't put yourself, don't make yourself go bankrupt, broke. Don't make it where you can't pay the rent. This is all extras that I play with. You know, I just play with what I know I'm willing to lose, stuff that I throw away anyway on food and other things. You know, I like to spend, I like to eat. So, anyway, I can save that little amount and throw it over here to the side. I'm kind of building my crypto just like a 401k would be, because I'm still making residual income. Now, for me, the most stable of these dApps is where I started. Again, that's Bankroll Flow, and that's why I have videos on how to get started in Bankroll Flow. That's still my backbone. That's still where I'm making tons of money daily, and I just compound that interest and withdraw it or roll it over weekly. Now, in other good news, Tron is on fire. Tron is what we use to get into most of the dApps, especially Bankroll Flow. Tron has gone from about 2 to 4 cents up to 10 cents. And that's major. If you've been holding Tron, you know, from the very beginning, I've been telling you guys the price is really low and it's going to start going up. So it would be a great time to get in. I'm not saying it's a bad time to get in, but now that it's 10 cents, you're going to get less Tron for your money when you want to convert it. You know what I mean? So it's still a good time because it's only at 10 cents. But just imagine if you're holding thousands of Tron and it makes it to $1 or $2. And that's what I mean by your money is just going to grow just by you holding on to this token. In my opinion, it's a very important token. It allows you to go ahead and make a residual income on these dApps. It's also something that's inflationary. So this token is going to rise. in price. You know, there's plenty of plans for it, and they've been voting on it, and they actually increased the fees a little bit. They're still pretty minimal, but again, Tron has reached 10 cents. And you know, when we started this, it was between 2 to 4 cents. So just that alone made my wallet grow by at least $100 in Clever. You know, it made just that sitting there made my wallet grow by about $100. So Tron is on fire. There's a couple others. BTT is looking to grow to even a penny. It's less than a penny right now, and it's been much less. So it's almost at a penny. So if you're holding a bunch of BTT, be prepared. Your wallet's going to grow just from holding that token. But yeah, it's a good time to be in the crypto, man. It's getting out there. It's worldwide. People are learning about it, and the more people that get into it, the higher the prices will go. So it's good that you get in early, which is pretty much why I wanted to go ahead and get in at the time that I did. So shouts out to Mason Double OG. Shouts out to Mr. Jones and the whole Eco family, guys, the Eco Money family. Let's get money. So if anybody needs help, reach out to your boy. We're still here getting money. Just wanted to give you some quick updates at my bankroll flow. Again, we're just shy of 5K deposits. That's actually a goal I've been waiting to reach. So we're just shy of those 5K deposits. Let's take a look at our game stats really quickly before we make this roll. If we come down, so we're about 13,000 players. Still about 14 million US dollars locked in the game. That's always a good thing to check. Make sure there's money in the games or the dApps that you play. Because again, if there's no money, you can't withdraw. So good thing to look at is make sure there's liquidity. So about 14 million bucks, and there's about 128,000 transactions going on. So we'll come back up to take a quick look at my flow. So currently, you know, this price has been fluctuating. We're making about $9.83. Again, that's a fluid thing because it bounces. My flow bounces between about $8 and $12, just depending on the price of BankerX. But right now, $9.83. That's cool daily. Again, I save this up for you guys weekly so you can see that lump sum roll. So that for the whole week is about $74 that I have sitting here. So if I needed $74, I could withdraw it. But the name of the game is to compound this. So we're going to roll it over, basically just reinvest this $74. It will get me above 5K deposits for BankerX. And the price will go into the $10 range a day again. But again, that fluctuates. So I'm not necessarily concerned about that. And you can see here, it shows my claimed amount. It shows my rewards from the Eco Money team. Shouts out Eco Money team. Now, guys, just keep in mind, I know I've been rolling and growing my account, and I've been doing this since January 1st of this year. You guys should do the same thing. But when I can get it big enough, I do plan on sending out an airdrop in the future. So don't think I forgot about you. I know a couple of you hit me up, and I'll hit you up as well just to check on you. But if you need me, hit me up, and I'll do my best to, you know, to assist. That's what I'm here for. But without further ado, as I always do, let's go ahead and roll this over and compound my $74 and make this deposit go over 5K. So we'll reach another goal. Exciting time. Let's do it. And all we have to do here is just click roll. So always what I loved about this is how simple it is. It actually, if you want to confirm the roll, I did confirm the roll. And it's going to go ahead and basically make this available, go to 0. And make my deposits are 5.3. So I'm over 5K deposits. Definitely a good place to be. I have a lot invested, most of which has been rolled over. But keep in mind, I have put some of my own money into this game. I have purchased Tron and BankerX, and I have actually made a deposit up here. So you make that deposit, it will grow this amount, which also grows your daily reward. But that amount is still based on the price of BankerX. So don't get that, you know, confused. It's still based on the price of BankerX, but it's a great, easy residual income. This dApp has made plenty of updates, and it seems like it's here to stay. Now, don't think this is the only thing we play in. We also play in Golden Egg Finance, which I've had a chance to withdraw from twice. Golden Egg Finance, I have whales and I have flamingos. Currently, we're sitting at about $20 that I've collected over there. I am going to put some more money in that dApp just so it makes more money residual as well. Still in the Binance Smart Chain as well. So we have Pancake Swap over there you can take a look at. You also have a BNB version of Bankroll Flow, guys. So we haven't actually gone into that one, but we have another version of Bankroll Flow on the Binance Smart Chain as well. Now, I just don't want to, over talk you guys with all of the semantics here. This is something that I learned once I got into this game, so I'm no crypto genius or anything like that. It's just once you're into it and you start to learn more about it, you understand it a little better, and that's what I want to bring to you. So in layman's terms, we're putting money in order to get money out. And in most cases, we're either staking these tokens, which means they're being held by these dApps, and then they're paying you return on those, or we're farming in here. So we're basically farming as well, so we can make a payout. So that's pretty much the gist of everything. I appreciate all the love as always. Like, share, subscribe, guys. Wolfman out.